When we talk about quick high availability health check, is it possible for you to quickly walk us through how does it look like in practical, how teams put in place, how it checks whether everything is working fine so they're ready for high availability and disaster recovery?
Well, see, quick health check can be a number of ways, right? It can actually be a live quick high availability health check where we actually, do some type of screen share with you. We get on your systems and we, go through whatever important application that you're hosting. We making sure that looks good on system A. And then we kind of do the same concept on system B live. We go through, open up the application, make sure everything looks good. Operating systems, we go through making sure, your services are configured correctly. We make sure, your storage is configured correctly. You have your process are set to the right startup types, everything. So you could do a live version, and then you can kind of do a non-live version where, you just send us all the logs from all the systems that's going to be part of your HA solution. And we just kind of manually go through all your logs to making sure they match up properly. So it's a number of ways to attack it. Those are just the first two that come to mind.
Can you also talk about why is now the right time for organizations to prioritize HA health check? What has changed in terms of infrastructure complexity, cloud adoption, or outage risk?
Well, what I like to tell people is starting a routine starts now, right? So you don't want to just keep kicking the can down the road and saying, hey, I'll do a health check next quarter, or I'll do a health check next fiscal year, right? Because at that point, you're just crossing your fingers, hoping nothing happens until next quarter or next year. So you'll never be able to get a true peace of mind if you don't just start doing your health check now and making sure that if something bad happens, an unforeseen event happens, all systems participating in your high availability solution, like Lifekeeper, is ready to take over and do its job.
Can you talk about what are the most common gaps or vulnerabilities you typically uncover when customers they run a HA health check for the first time?
So with the high availability health checks I have done, and whenever I'm working with someone, I like to tell them, just think of all the systems that's part of your high availability solution like Lifekeeper as siblings, right? And you want those siblings to be identical twins, right? And what tends to happen is, you have your main system that's hosting everything, and it kind of gets all the love per se. If you need more disk space, you'll add it to that main system and forget to do it on the backup system. If you have to change some type of admin rights, right, you might change the admin right on the main system and kind of just forget to do it on the backup system. So a lot of times what we uncover is that the systems are not identical twin, and then the first system goes down, things are not going to work properly on the second system.